Inhale and exhale, relax the shoulders. Keep the fingertips interlaced. We're going to turn the left toes out. Right toes are already turned in. We maybe step our back foot up a little bit depending on the length of your legs. And we're going to bend the front knee, draw the navel in and up. Humble warrior. Inhale, same action of this upward current of energy through the front body, this anchoring through the back body, and then keep the root of this posture in that back foot as you slowly send your heart forward. And you might just pause and your body is saying, beep, beep, stop the car, in which case you might release your fingertips and work here, or bring a block, or maybe your couch is near, or a chair. If you can continue the journey down, explore that. Soft bend in the knees, and we take the head underneath the heart here. If the crown of the head can come to the earth, awesome, we'll work on that. And if not, don't worry. Accept where you are today. Now you got to bring the breath here. Big inhale in, long breath out. To come out of the pose, press into the feet, connect to your center. Inhale, rise up. Check in with that halfway point. Deep breath in, and then exhale all the way back down with the knuckles. Sorry, lift up through the heart.